If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a quick JASMY update today. And we've been looking at the market rallying to the upside, pretty amazing. Now we've been breaking out of this level, and I told you yesterday, made you aware that you have one more place to go, and that is going to be this resistance, which is going to act as resistance as well. And we need a daily confirmation, so we need a push above 42 again, back test 38, 39, and hold the retest, and you have yourself an amazing trading opportunity of a 40% profit. So basically this you're gonna have to trade upon confirmation. Now keep in mind, however, I think it's a good idea to have your stop losses down at 3392 basically, because if you do come down to 3392, then that could mean that you're failing the retest as well, because you never know, you can actually come down. There's chances of you to fall down to 3553 again to backtest this level. Now one more thing in my opinion is the RSI. So let's look at the RSI. You're at the absolute overbought level, which is going to be a bad zone for trading. So look at that. Boom. So first resistance, push down, nearly resistance here, down, resistance down, and you are at the absolute resistance once again. And you gotta be careful, because from here you're gonna have the biggest sell-off as well. That's pretty much it. Cannot talk too much today. Not feeling good. I'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.